handsome. Look, he's got this vest on. It's nice. You want to stand up? You want to stand up? Yeah. You could stand up in it. You're just going to be a dead cat now because you don't want to stand up in the thing. Yeah. Check it out. Baxter, you want to go outside? Do you want to walk? Is Papa taking your picture? He thinks he's Houdini. He's going to try and get out of this like it's a straitjacket. Now he's going to rip out his teeth. What's that? He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. Now, put these things like this. Clip you together. Okay, stand up. Stand down. Stand down. Come on.
Pull him up a little bit.
Boo. Boink. You can't eat that. It's not for eating. Stand up. Stand up. Boink. Baxter, it's not for eating. Leave it. Leave it. There we go. Stand up. Boink. Just like that cat on the other video. Okay, stand up. Oh, I'm not hurting you. Stand up. Look at the tail go. He's not happy.
This is day one of Baxter learning how to walk on a leash. So we can take him outside. Huh? Okay, that's lesson one.
Let's just take him out for a spin.
Looks like he's taken to it so far.
That's not the way lesson 2 is supposed to go. Lesson 2 is supposed to be on your back like this. See? I don't think that's what lesson 2 is supposed to be.
Try hooking him up.
Let's see. That was lesson 2.
Okay.
Okay, this is lesson 2. Well, actually lesson 3. Lesson 2 lasted about 10 seconds. Lesson 3 of walking on a leash. We know how to eat the leash, we just don't know how to walk on it. Yeah, this is going well. Stand up. Stand up. Come on, buddy. Let's... He doesn't really want to do this, but let's see if we can get him. Here we Lesson 3. He's standing up. He's down. He's over here now. Stand up. Come on. Go see Papa. see him. Come on. Now the head's up. At least the head's not laying on the floor. Let's see if we can get him up. Yeah, that's not happening. I'll try to pick him up again. Yeah, he's a good boy too. Well, it's a little better. Maybe if I open the front door, he'll think he's going out. Want to go out? Come on out. Let's get you over nearer the door. Maybe if we do that. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's pretty good. You want to go out? Let's go out. Come on. Let's go out. Come on. Come on. There you go. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's go over here and see these things. You're walking kind of crooked now. Let's lay down now. I know, not hurting you. There we go. No? 2 steps. That was better than none. Your escape route is cut off. Pretty. Very fancy.